Hip hikes are going to strengthen the lower back and your groin. So we're looking to strengthen the quadratus lumborum on this side as we're lifting it. Make sure that you find a stable surface, a yoga block, a stack of plates, a box like that, a stair, something where you can be stable. You also want to hold on to something, whether it be a wall. The stick is probably not preferable because it can move around. I would hold on to this, but for video purposes, I'm holding on to this. You're gonna stand with your foot as close to the edge of that stable object as possible. You're gonna pin the lifted leg toward the other one as much as possible. You're limited by the dumbbell, but the closer you can keep it, the better. Then you're gonna work on lifting this hip up toward your rib and then reaching that heel down toward the floor. Lifting up and down. People cheat by letting their hip drive out to the side. So you want to keep the hip stacked over the standing leg, drop it down, reach it up. Make sure you're isolating. You're going to feel this in the outside of the hip, in the lower back, and the groin.